This puncher is 1988 puncher. We converted it using Max3 software. It's a CNC control software. We added the new stepper motors on the two axes, like the X and Y axis. Previously was a DC motor with an optical encoder, and the old system was a very old DOS system. So this one is more easier to work with. You can create a gcode from an AutoCAD file or using Fusion 360. It's really fascinating to see this machine working with Windows 7. It was built in 1988. Even after 33 years of use, it still works like brand new. It was built in Italy and it's working with Windows 7 in Ethiopia in 2021. Still works like it's brand new.